This surgery has a 95% success rate. Imagine waking up every day, looking in the mirror, and seeing a full head of hair. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many. Hair transplants have revolutionized the way we combat baldness, offering a solution that is both effective and long-lasting. The procedure involves taking hair follicles from areas of your scalp that are resistant to hair loss and transplanting them to the thinning or bald areas. This ensures that the transplanted hair continues to grow naturally, blending seamlessly with your existing hair. And no, it's not a wig. The hair you see is your own, growing naturally. This means you can style it, cut it, and treat it just like the rest of your hair. The results are so natural that even your closest friends and family might not be able to tell the difference. They'll just notice how great you look. Let's talk about the only permanent fix for baldness. Hair transplants are the gold standard when it comes to restoring hair. Unlike temporary solutions like wigs or hairpieces, a hair transplant offers a permanent solution. Once the transplanted hair starts to grow, it will continue to do so for the rest of your life. This means no more worrying about your hair falling out or thinning again. Baldness isn't just a bad hair day. It can affect your self-esteem, your confidence, and even your social interactions. Many people who experience hair loss feel a sense of loss and frustration. They might avoid social situations, feel self-conscious about their appearance, and even experience depression. But it doesn't have to be this way. It's feeling trapped, avoiding photos, and Googling hair systems at 3 a.m. The endless search for a solution can be exhausting. You might have tried various shampoos, treatments, and even considered wearing a wig. But nothing seems to work. The good news is, there is a solution that can give you back your confidence and your hair. But what if you could rewrite the script? Imagine a life where you no longer have to worry about your hair, where you can wake up every day feeling confident and ready to take on the world. Hair transplants offer a chance to rewrite your story, giving you the hair you've always wanted and the confidence to go with it. 35 million men and women choose transplants yearly. You're not alone. Hair loss is a common issue that affects millions of people around the world. But you don't have to face it alone. By choosing a hair transplant, you're joining a community of people who have taken control of their hair loss and found a solution that works. Hair transplants steal from the rich, your DHT-resistant hair, and give to the poor, your bald spots. This clever redistribution ensures that the hair you gain is strong and healthy, capable of growing just like the rest of your hair. The process is meticulous, with each hair follicle carefully placed to ensure the most natural look possible. The procedure itself is performed by skilled surgeons who specialize in hair restoration. They use advanced techniques to ensure that the transplanted hair looks natural and grows well. The process can take several hours, but the results are worth it. You'll leave the clinic with the foundation for a full head of hair, you or foot. Both are permanent, but FUE leaves no scar. Even A-listers can't resist. Follicular Unit Extraction (FUE) and Follicular Unit Transplantation (FUT) are the two main techniques used in hair transplants. FUE involves extracting individual hair follicles, leaving no linear scar, while FUT involves removing a strip of scalp. Both methods are effective, but FUE is often preferred for its minimal scarring. But here's the root of the issue. Surgery isn't a joke. It's a serious procedure that requires careful consideration and planning. You'll need to consult with a specialist to determine the best approach for your specific situation. They'll assess your hair loss, discuss your goals, and create a personalized plan to achieve the best results. Swelling, scabs, and 2 weeks of looking like a potato. The recovery process can be challenging, with some discomfort and visible signs of surgery, but these are temporary and will fade as your scalp heals. It's important to follow your surgeon's aftercare instructions to ensure the best possible outcome. But permanent hair? Worth the meme phase? The initial recovery period might be tough, but the long-term benefits are undeniable. As your new hair starts to grow, you'll see the transformation unfold. Over the months, your hair will become thicker and fuller, giving you a natural and youthful appearance. Pro tip: shave your head pre-surgery for easier harvesting. This can make the process smoother and more efficient, allowing the surgeon to work more effectively. Plus, it can help you get used to the idea of having shorter hair during the initial stages of recovery, and stock up on Netflix. You'll be indoors a while. The recovery period is a great time to catch up on your favorite shows and movies. Make sure you have plenty of entertainment options to keep you occupied while you rest and heal. I spent years hiding under hats. The constant worry about how your hair looks can be exhausting. Hats might offer a temporary solution, but they can't hide the problem forever. A hair transplant can give you the freedom to ditch the hats and embrace your natural hair. 8 months post-transplant, my barber said, "Who's your surgeon?" The results speak for themselves. A successful hair transplant can leave you with hair that looks so natural, even professionals will be impressed. It's a testament to the skill and expertise of the surgeons who perform these procedures. Best $10K ever spent. Investing in a hair transplant is an investment in yourself. The confidence and happiness that come with having a full head of hair are priceless. Many people find that the benefits far outweigh the cost. If you're ready to scalp your baldness, smash that like button. Taking the first step towards a hair transplant can be daunting, but it's a decision that can change your life. Show your support and enthusiasm by hitting that like button. Comment transplant below, and subscribe for more no-filter beauty breakthroughs. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest beauty tips and treatments that can help you look and feel your best.